here at Fox Sports Cards and beautiful downtown Marion, busted box of SP Legendary.
Hot product right now.
Smoking hot. Looking for a cut autograph. Maybe a Yankee Stadium Legacy memorabilia card wouldn't be bad for a Yankee collector here.
And there's a couple of those per case, right?
Yep, there are. And I think there's 6 Yankee Stadium Legacy cards per box. So let's see, we'll get 4 game used, I think.
And a chance at one of the 2 cuts per case.
2 and then the mystery.
And then the mystery.
There's a Yankee Stadium Legacy card. Nice base set too.
Yeah, very nice look at the base cards. So 4 cards per back, 12 packs per box. And are you going to do a set of these?
Yeah, probably.
Another Yankee?
That's Roger Ramirez. Ooh, there's a nice.
And Don Mattingly jersey.
Nice for the Yankee.
Oh yeah,
Mattingly and Jeter. Very nice.
Stripe.
Good start.
Yep. That Jeter guy will work out for you.
Okay. And the Webb. And Andrew Johnson, 17th president.
Nice Andrew Johnson, numbered to 550. I think there's one of those per box as well. One numbered card to 550, short print.
Ryan Braun, Jason Bay, Carlos Beltran, Whitey Ford, and Stadium Legacy.
Only 5,800 more to go, right?
Yeah. Derek Lee, Hideki Matsui. Dustin Howard, Stadium Legacy. Russell Martin jersey.
Russell Martin jersey, nice.
Nice, yeah. Destination Stardom memorabilia.
That's what he's hoping for.
Yeah.
Still Hughes. 30 size more. First Anderson, David Wright.
I think that's a Cleat Boyer.
Yep.
Ryan Zimmerman, Joe Mauer. George
Another Yankee Stadium Legacy card. Second Tony Kubek.
Billy Williams jersey, numbered to 99.
That's very nice.
Cubs fan, yeah.
Yeah, I think you'll find somebody in your family that'd be willing to trade you. I'm just guessing.
And a Gary Sheffield jersey.
Another chef. Destined for history.
That's it.
Alright, that's it.
So what'd you think?
Pretty good box.
Here are the results from the 2008 Legendary Cuts break. Got Alex Rodriguez base card, very nice look. The 6 Yankee Stadium Legacy cards, like promised. Andrew Johnson, numbered to 550. They have a Russell Martin, Stardom, Destination Stardom memorabilia card. Gary Sheffield, Destined for History memorabilia card. Nice Billy Williams, Legendary memorabilia, numbered to 99. And the hood of the box, very nice, Don Mattingly with the stripe, and a Derek Jeter Generations memorabilia. Very nice.